What you see in front of you is the new subscription box that I have currently discovered. I know you guys have seen other people's videos, like Monkey Spaz's video. Shout out to Monkey Spaz. He basically showed me what Never Ending Coin Club was, and you know, all their interesting and different subscription boxes that you could subscribe to, and they'll send it to you in the mail every month. And they are charged on the 11th, and they mail them out towards, I don't know, 8th or 7th or somewhere in the beginning of the month. So what you're looking at is this is July's subscription box for the silver membership. I paid $35 for this membership. It's $35 per month. And that includes a 10% discount if you are a fireman, a policeman, if you're in the military, or and you get a 5% discount if you have subscribed for the subscription via PayPal. So yeah, read their website, read down in the description box. You're gonna find a link to their website. And all right, without further ado, let's get started. Let's open up this July's box to see what we got. And this box is relatively well packaged up. It comes quickly, and everything is nice and secure inside the silver membership box. This is the $35 option. All right, so noticing straight off, I get a half troy ounce silver Golden State round, and on the other side we have what appears to be 3. Wait a minute, there's gotta be something else there. Remember, guys, you're seeing this the same first time, and we're seeing this at exactly the same time. So I don't know what's in these boxes. Just like and I'm finding out right when you guys find out. I feel like it's better that way to kind of surprise both myself and you, to keep everything like genuine when it comes to these events. And I mean, we'll see. So let's go ahead and we'll take a look at all the silver that I have now from the subscription box. If I could ever get it out of the container. Okay, so as I suspected, there are 3 90% dimes. 3 90% silver dimes. I have a half troy ounce Indian head round, and we'll see the last thing that's in the Coin Club case is a 1999S PCGS PR69 DCAM Delaware State Quarter. And yeah, these are cool to collect. You know, like I said, I paid $35 for this. If I were to guess the approximate value for you guys, I would say this is worth maybe $10, $12, depending on who would buy it. These are probably worth anywhere from $3 to $5. And this is probably worth, I don't know, it depends. PCGS, I'd say $5 to $10. So all in all, you know, there is a little bit of a premium, you know, because you're not the one picking these out. You're not the one packaging it. I would say all this is probably worth maybe $25, $26. I did pay $31 for this case. So really, I'm okay with that. This is kind of cool. It's kind of exciting to get random various things in with the box. You never know what you're gonna get. It's different every time. You will guaranteed with the silver membership, you are guaranteed to get at least a half-ounce silver coin. Now, like I said, you can look in the description. I'll have a link below and how to get those discounts, so you don't have to pay the full $35. You can pay $31 or $32 and save yourself some money and still get cool coins that you can collect and pass down to your children or save or stack or anything like that for relatively low amount of initial investment. And with all, with everything else that's been going on, and I think you guys have stuck with me through all the hard times I've had not being able to upload videos, and I appreciate it. I'm trying to come out with some new content. Like I said, Never Ending Coin Club. That is NECC, Never Ending Coin Club. And their website will be posted in subscription. I highly recommend this website. And I told them I was going to do a review on this website, on their website, and to keep everything fair. Don't church it up. Don't make it look like because I have 11 or 13, 1,400 subscribers that I should get something better than everybody else just because I have that many. No, this is legit. This is exactly what you're going to get. This is totally worth it. And if you like surprises like I do, I 100% recommend it. These guys are amazing. If you guys have any other websites that do subscription services, please, I would like to know. Put it in the comments section. I want to try all of them, because when I try all of them, I can kind of tell you, my subscribers, what is the best one to get. What gives you the most bang for your buck? What is the best surprise? Okay, so put your comments down in there. Click on the link in the description. And like always, guys, thanks for watching. Josh Silver out.